Hello guys, welcome to Jeff's Garage Adventures. You like tools? This is your channel. Today is the drawing for the MATCO 3/8 drive locking flex head ratchet with the purple comfort grip, 88 tooth. Sweet, sweet ratchet. You had to be a subscriber and you had to comment on last Friday's video, January 3rd, and you had till today, January 10th, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The time has passed. One winner. This will be my 52nd winner in a little less than 15 months. That's crazy, hey? We had 1,500 comments. Half of those are my replies. That puts it down to 750. Then you got people talking amongst one another. Plus you got people making double comments. There's slightly over 700 people in this giveaway. Probably the second most I ever had. Disclaimer, YouTube is not sponsoring my giveaways in any shape or form. They're bought my own money and shipped for free. Here are all the tickets, guys. Oh my God. This has never been full. This is pretty close. That's 700, a little over 700 names in there. That is crazy. We're going to put those in the bingo cage. Hoorah! Let's make sure they're all in there, Jeff. Okay. It is empty. I'm getting excited about this. I love giving away tools. Cowbell. If you're new to the channel, I doubt you've seen it anywhere else. I'm unique. Hoorah! Let's mix them up some more. I cannot see in that cage. It's got little teeny holes. I can't see good anyways. It's rated for 2,500 raffle tickets. We got 700 or so in here. All right. Sorry about that, guys, but that's probably one of my customers. Or it's my wife, she broke down. This is a live shop. Okay. Are you guys ready? One winner. The winner's going to get that MATCO 3/8 drive locking flex head 88 tooth ratchet. Again, you had to be a subscriber and comment on last Friday's video, January 3rd, by today, January 10th. Here we go, guys. I don't know if I can read that. Mark Swan. Mark Swan. Mark Swan, CSCHWENN, 7432. Mark, congratulations, you won that MATCO ratchet. I hope you like it. So send me an email, your YouTube name, your real name, where to send it. Please include a zip code. And I don't need any money. I ship them out for free as well. So I'll leave up my email in the description below, and I'll also pin it in the comments. But again, Mark Swan, you won that purple ratchet. I hope you like it, and whatever you do, don't loan it out to your buddies. You might not get it back. Okay? All right, guys. One other thing is I just passed 10,000, so this coming up giveaway, which will be this coming up Friday, a week from now, will be one you got to comment on. There'll be 5 prizes, 5 winners, so you might want to stick around. All right, guys. Again, there's the winner. Congratulations, Mark. I hope you like it. Take care.